Hello everyone. If you have an Intertek Smart Plug and you don't know how to set it up or control using the application, then this video is going to guide you step by step. So Intertek is not a single brand application. Most of the Intertek certified smart plugs work with apps like Smart Life, Tuya Smart, or the brand specific app mentioned in the box. So you can check your plug packaging and manual in order to confirm the correct application. Now you need to download the correct application from the App Store or Play Store. After that, you need to open the application in order to create your account. Just make sure that your Wi-Fi is on and the Bluetooth is also on, plus the location permission is also enabled. These are required for the setup. Now you need to plug in your device, then press and hold the power button for about 5 to 10 seconds until the light starts blinking rapidly. Now when it does, this means that the plug is in the pairing mode. Now open the application. Over here you will see the option of add devices. So when you select the option of add devices, you just have to simply choose the socket or plug, select the Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Just make sure that you are using the 2.4 GHz network, and then you can follow the on-screen instructions in order to complete the pairing. Once it is connected, you can turn the plug on and off remotely. You can set the timers and schedules. You can also use automation features. You can also connect it with Alexa or Google Assistant for the application. So you can go through this particular user manual. I will try to link it in the description box below, and then you can basically go through this particular user manual. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.